So Del Mar's Aviation Maintenance Technology program offers students the opportunity to go to school for an 18-month program that allows them to test for the FAAs for their airframe and power plant certificates. The forecasted demand worldwide for aviation maintenance technicians is going to be 760,000 employees, the demand up through 2038. In South Texas, we have a lot of general aviation down here, a lot of commercial aviation, and a lot of military aviation. So we offer a student that not only an entry-level position, but a student actually has a little bit more experience, hopefully a little bit more knowledge than your typical entry-level mechanic would have.
Our program is designed for entry-level techs. So we're trying to develop the skills and the confidence to get into the industry. The ASC accreditation is a big part of this program. There's not too many of those. So it makes the standards pretty high for us to teach it to that level.
Everybody's looking for mechanics, and the days of the old school mechanics that is just primitive, that's over. All these guys need to know how to use computers, got to have those skills, they need to know how to read, because with the manuals and all the computer stuff we have now, it is got very, very technical, and they're looking for those kind of skills. So jobs are out there.
The Del Mar College Regional Police Academy offer both of those basic courses for licensure, the corrections officer course or the basic county corrections course, which is conducted here, and the basic peace officer course, which is also conducted. That certification is that we offer is, again, the key that unlocks the door to the job prospects throughout the state of Texas. And they can work at sheriff's departments, municipal police departments, constables' offices, independent school districts as a police officer. They can work for state, local, and county governments anywhere in the state.
There's a lot of companies hiring right now, and that's what our job here at Del Mar is, to get our students job ready so they can go out there and test and get on a job. An associate's degree tells a company that you not only took some welding classes, but you actually have a degree. You're able to communicate well. You've taken an English class, you've taken a math class, you're able to figure things out. You've taken a speech class where you can do a PowerPoint and do a presentation as a manager. We not only want our students to say, oh, I'm gonna be under the hood my whole life. No, we want you to continue to grow and get into leadership. That's what we did, and we benefit so much from it that we're able to support our families and some. It's been a great career.
Our job here at Del Mar is to build a foundation from which the particular industry or facility that you wind up in can build upon and make you a lifelong employee. We actually have equipment here right now that we're using in Del Mar that industry will have in the next few years. Nobody is using remote control tablets. What I mean by control is we can actually control the process. Anything that has a process, that's what we prepare you for. We kind of specialize in refinery work because that's where we all came from. That's the biggest part of our industry here. We have students working in Colorado at pharmaceutical companies. We have students working over in Robstown at Tesla, building the batteries and producing the lithium. And so you can take this career, this degree anywhere in the world. And have a successful career with the foundation that we provide for you here at Del Mar in process technology.